Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today, we're replacing the U2 Power IC on an iPhone 12 because the phone is not charging. First, we test the charger on another phone to confirm it's working. When we connect it to the iPhone 12, it doesn't charge, confirming the issue. So, we power off the device and start disassembling it. We remove all screws and disconnect the display and other flex cables. After that, we carefully take out the logic board. On the back of the board, we peel off the black protective sticker. Next, we place the board on a preheater platform to safely separate components. Using a thin blade, we gently flex the board to split it and remove the parts that need attention. The new U2 Power IC. To remove the faulty IC, we apply flux and use a hot air gun to heat the area. Once the IC is lifted, we set it aside and thoroughly clean the pads where it was seated. After cleaning, we apply a small amount of flux and place the new U2 Power IC in its original position. Using the hot air gun, we reflow the solder to secure it firmly. We also apply flux to the surrounding solder balls to ensure proper connections. Then place the board back on the preheater to settle all solder joints. Once the reflow is complete, we remove the board from the preheater and reapply the black protective sticker. We reinstall the logic board into the phone. Reconnect all flex cables and assemble the device completely. Finally, we connect the charger, and the iPhone 12 starts charging successfully. That completes the U2 Power IC replacement process. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to Noor Telecom.